Alright, we've got a 2003 E350 van here with the 5.4 in it. This is also the same if you have the 6.8. If you just have front air on this, factory front air, your low pressure port, this is where you'll be charging, is right here. Your high pressure port is right here. The oil on it is PAG 46, 9 ounces. And to charge your R134A, it is 40 ounces of 134A. That is your capacity on that. Now if your E350 has front and rear AC, it is 13 ounces of PAG 46 and 60 ounces of R134A. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe today, and I'll keep uploading all the AC videos as we do them. Hopefully that helps you guys getting some nice cold AC during those hot summer days. Those are your capacities for your E350 vans. I hope that helps you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.